How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add PLA filament to Creality Print Slicer. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just navigate through your project. Now, in my case, it's going to be this newly created project right here. And once inside, you want to click or navigate through the filament category, which is going to be at the top corner of your screen. Now, to add one, you want to click on the plus icon right here, which basically enables us to add our own filament. Now, you want to click on this drop-down menu, click on this drop-down menu once more, and basically you will be able to select the type of filament that you want to apply. So in our case, we want to use the PLA filament right here. Generally, it is going to be set to the Hyper PLA or something similar. Basically, in my case, I'm just going to click on the system preset and then add the PLA filament manually. Now, what you can also do if you cannot see the PLA filament right here is to click on the add dash remove filament. This window will then show up. Just make sure that the PLA is selected. Click on confirm and then basically select your PLA right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.